In this video, I'm going to be sharing with us how to make wheat fufu using the wheat flour. So watch to the end. To begin, you need water. The quantity will depend on the amount of fufu you want. So you also need some wheat flour. I'm using Honeywell wheat flour. You can get it from your supermarket or you can get it from any African store. So to begin, I'm just going to go ahead and measure the quantity. I'm measuring 1.5 cup. Meanwhile, water is on the pot, is inside the pot on the stove. So while we're waiting for it to boil, I'm just going to go ahead and measure it, and we continue the whole cooking process. So if you want to see how it turns out, just watch this video to the end. This is 1 cup already. I'm just going to turn it into the plate and measure the remaining half cup.
And ideas. You can find us on Instagram as Bodelsti, Facebook page Bodelsti Kitchen. Stay tuned.
Right now I just checked and the water has started boiling. So this is what we want. Just reduce the heat and start adding the wheat flour into the water while you're stirring it very well. So after adding, continue stirring until everything is properly mixed and smooth, just like the way I'm doing. Keep watching. If you notice that your wheat fufu is too hard for you, just go ahead and add a little amount of water. Or if you think it's too soft and you need more flour, then you can adjust, add a little amount of wheat flour. It's just that easy.
Bodelsti Kitchen with Sharon, entertainment, educative and fun. We showcase food recipes, Nigerian food like egusi soup.
If you notice, the wheat fufu is becoming smooth now. It's beginning to form shape, and this is what we're waiting for. So I'm still going to continue stirring. It's very important when making fufu. In fact, any kind of fufu, either amala or semo or wheat, this stirring and turning is very important for it to be very smooth. So now at this stage it's already smooth and I want it to be properly cooked. So I'm just going to create like a little space in between, and then I'm going to add little amount of water and then cover it for like 2 minutes. So I've added the water. I'm going to cover it on a low heat and let it cook properly for about 2 minutes. So as you can see, it has been boiling. The water is still boiling. So I'm just going to stir everything together. At this stage, the wheat fufu is properly done. So I'm just going to off the stove and stir very, very well.
Nigerian food like egusi soup, jollof rice, breakfast and ideas. You can find us on Instagram as Bodelsti, Facebook page Bodelsti Kitchen. Stay tuned and share our videos.
Now it's okay. At this stage it's okay, it's properly done. As you can see, it's beginning to draw a little bit. I'm just showing you, I'm just pointing the pot to the camera so that you can see what I'm talking about. So at this stage it's done and it's ready to remove from heat. So I'm going to serve mine with ogbono soup. If you want to see how I made this ogbono soup, check out my video. I uploaded the recipe on how to make
Kitchen
ogbono
with
soup.
Sharon
So
Entertainment,
this one is a very
and
low
fun.
budget ogbono.
We
It
showcase food
costs
recipes,
less
Nigerian food like
3,000
egusi
naira.
soup,
So
jollof rice,
yeah, the wheat
breakfast, and ideas.
fufu is
You can
ready
find us on
and
Instagram as
it's
Bodel
amazing.
Tea,
It tastes really
Facebook
good and
page,
it's a very
Bodel Tea
healthy
Kitchen.
recipe. Why
Stay
it's
tuned
healthy is
and
because it
share our
has
videos.
lesser calories compared to eba or other fufu. So thank you so much for watching. This is Boda's Kitchen and I share amazing recipes, healthy drinks, healthy recipes, African street food, African recipes, green smoothie to cleanse your system, to detox your body. I also do food mukbang. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, leave a comment. My name is Sharon and my channel is Boda's Kitchen. Also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye. See you on my next one.